Say hello.
Hola.
You're on my head at the minute. So you can get a preview of what Sean's waistline looks like later.
Ha! Gay! Coilovers.
Oh. These are so nice. This is only the second time I've held brand new coilovers.
One thing we have got to do before we fit anything.
Take these off, grease them up.
Grease them all up.
Hell yeah! Are they pink or red?
They're red. You've got your anodised red, block rings and top mounts, and then obviously red bodies.
I can't believe my Skyline's coming earlier than I thought. I was so excited.
We've still got to get it on the road yet.
Well, yeah, that's just a matter of getting it registered, MOT. I've got someone who can MOT it for us. I literally contacted him like a month ago just to make sure, you know, ready.
So we're all still good to go. Because I'd rather them not end up like your coilovers were on HSDs.
That was nasty, but that wasn't my fault. The commitment I take for YouTube.
I think 6 months ago my shape was bigger.
No, you did, didn't you?
Yeah.
So as far as I remember, there's a bolt in there.
We should get away with just undoing that one and
slide
undoing
it
those
out.
two, and it should just push down and pop out. Worst case, we undo that one, pop the arm out.
Okay.
Somewhere. Right, I'm gonna let you do that. Bring my other little mini toolbox around. Just so it would stay alive.
So if you actually stand on it,
Oh, I'm really scared.
stand on it. Push it down anymore. Right, they never come off that easy, usually. If you have standard suspension, you'd undo this upper arm. So you'd undo the bolt
That one.
there, and then you'd have to swing that back.
Drop that link.
Drop link would have to come off, and then you could get the standard shock out, because they can be a bit tight.
Very.
The fronts are a bit more of a pain, but we'll show you in a minute. But yeah, if you've already got coilovers on, life's easy. And not just that, on the 1600s, they've got half shafts and they're bolted in, so a lot easier. The later 1.8s come with pushing shafts.
Do you remember when we took an entire rear quarter off just to change for lowering springs?
Yeah, that was your car, was it not?
And it was indeed.
Yeah, that was
That was like was it our second video? That was a long day.
That was an interesting day.
Yeah, it was.
With Kent.
Well, it wasn't Seven Oaks, was it? It was because that MX5 Mania, the lady, she had the bolt, the camber bolt.
Our
And
lifesaver.
literally, I'll put like a little clip.
Twisted.
Oh, don't worry about that.
No, we don't need it. We just need the bolt. That's the only part of that we need. And your part.
Right, so we are on our way to, where is it? Romney Marsh, isn't it?
Romney Marsh, yeah.
This is what the aftermath of it. Fucking hell. Is that it?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Centre of the bolt. That's how much we had to go down to, right?
And then look how much metal there was barely left touching.
Yeah. Sorry, it's a bit beaten up here.
Learn your lesson.
No, not bad. Crap.
You only could do that because I held it up. Give me the Coilovers.
So if you look where the hole is, which is there, that one is there.
Might need to stand on it. We in.
Let's clean the bolts up. Tis.
Numero uno.
So now you can undo those 2 bolts in there.
This is really like cupping my tits.
If only people could see. It's got like proper man boobs going on.
Oh, I'm getting fat. Look at that. Wow.
It's a bra on you, you know that.
Hey. Imagine being like you're like a little baby. Come on. Nom, nom. Poor Daisy.
Yeah, what does she ever see in you?
Fine. Titties.
Titties like a woman, like a
You're like a sissy girl. Final step to coilovers. Lock it up, bitch. Okay, so we're now on the front. Did you give me a torch quickly? Firstly, we've got the bottom bolt there. That one there. And then obviously the 2 top bolts right there. If I see. Yeah, undo that one. And then maybe we'll have to pull it out if we have to undo the anti-roll bolt. But let's see.
There you go. That's it.
Huzzah! Rear is so high. Right, let's go.
Need to cable tie that bumper back up properly at some point. It's not squeaking so much.
What is it?
It's my front bumper. The cable tie's broken off.
Really good, isn't it?
Ride wise, like it's night and day.
Oh yeah. Like you could really comfortably daily with a set of these coilovers, I reckon.
But no, these are really comfortable to drive with.
Really good.
I'd have a Mustang. That's about it.
I'd have a Capri Mustang, and an Escort.
Have you driven a Capri?
No.
Quite nice.
Huh?
Quite nice for an old car.
Are they?
Too much money now though.
Oh god, yeah. Yeah, I rate these quite highly. Does it feel planted?
Find that in a minute.
Oh god.
Jesus Christ.
That's quite bad.
you liked today's video, please do like and subscribe. Big shout out to MAXPEEDINGRODS for these coilovers. They are absolutely wicked, especially value for money. Really impressed with them. What the
Where's your
backs.
fucking indicators?
But yeah, really comfy, really easy to slide as well.
I mean, I've not even got it sideways yet.
That was pretty, it was kicking it a little bit.
It was trying to, it wanted to, just a little bit more throttle and we would have been comfortably gliding.
Twat.
Man, what is it with people that just cannot use their
Fucking
indicators?
roundabouts. Click the link in below. We've got a discount code for the website. Make sure you guys check them out because they really have impressed us with these. So yeah, love you all. Stay safe.
See you all later.
Bye bye.